And here I come. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam and you're watching The Teaching Doc, and today we'll be talking about what camera do you need for stock photography. Now, when you visit the popular websites, that is Shutterstock, iStock, Adobe Stock, you can see that the top selling images, जो image सबसे बिका है on those websites, they are excellent in every angle. What I mean is they have got everything in focus, they have got no noise, they have the perfect composition, alright. So often you think if I had a good camera, I could have also clicked this type of photographs, right? Wrong. I want to tell you once and for all today that camera is no bar that can stop you from advancing into the stock photography journey. आपके पास अगर कैमरा नहीं है तो वो आपको कभी रोक नहीं सकता है स्टॉक फोटोग्राफर बनने के लिए. The most important thing that will make a good photograph is you, the photographer, the content creator. It is your thought, आपका सोच, आपका imagination that will give the frame, the final shape and will make it commercialized in order to sell it in stock photography agency. Camera is just the second tool. कैमरा नंबर 2 पे आता है, पहला हो आप. That being said, of course you need a camera in order to be a stock photographer, but all of us have got one thing in our pocket every day, that is a smartphone. Yes, when I say this, believe me, smartphone photo sells a lot. You know, the best camera for stock photography is the one which you can carry all around. वो कैमरा जो आप सभी जगह पे ले जा पाएंगे. Whatever you see in front of you, you need to make a habit of clicking it. You need to think in such a way that how this picture can be commercialized, and the best tool, best camera for that thing is the camera that you carry around. आप सब जगह पे जो ले जाते हो, and I am saying this over and over again, the camera is the smartphone camera. However, if you are a photographer, if you love your camera and you have a habit of carrying it everywhere, आप अगर सभी जगह पे अपना कैमरा ले जाते हो तो this is the best thing that can happen to you, because definitely the photo quality, the image quality that comes out of a camera sensor, dedicated camera sensor, is much better than that of the smartphone camera, and better quality image will ease your job of पोस्ट प्रोसेसिंग द इमेज. व्हाट आई मीन टू से इज, अगर आप फोटो ही बढ़िया लेते हो तो आपको उतना एडिट नहीं करना पड़ेगा. इफ़ यू आर अ गुड फोटोग्राफर, यू कैन फ्रेम द फोटो इन सच अ वे दैट यू नीड मिनिमल एडिटिंग इन ऑर्डर टू अपलोड इट टू द स्टॉक फोटोग्राफी एजेंसी. सो द 3 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग जो सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, दैट इज़ यू. नंबर 1 आप हो, who will create the photo, who will compose the shot, who will have the thought behind framing the subject. Number 2 is your camera that you carry everywhere. वो कैमरा जो आप सभी जगह पे ले जाते हो. If it is smartphone, well and good. If it is your dedicated camera, point and shoot, fine. If you have a DSLR, then it is the best. And number 3, an editing software. एक editing software हो, Photoshop हो, Lightroom हो, Snapseed हो, in your mobile software that can edit your photo, anything where you need to reduce the noise, increase the saturation, adjust the exposure, so on and so forth. So you, your camera and the editing software will make the whole stock photography thing much easier for you. However, for those who have a DSLR and you want to get into stock photography, I recommend you to use the 50mm 1.8 lens, 50mm 1.8 lens, the Nifty 50. That is one of the best lens to get you started for stock photography, because it is cheap, it is light, and it is easily available even in second hand. You can get it in very small price. Next thing, if you want me to recommend you a DSLR for stock photography, definitely you can pick up any DSLR. A DSLR will do much better than your smartphones, but if you want me to pick one for you, definitely I will pick up a full frame camera. मतलब 5D Mark III हो गया, Mark II हो गया, Nikon D700, 600, 610 वो हो गया, because full frame will give you much better noise performance, and low noise means low editing and high chance of acceptance and high chance of sales. Now, one very important thing, people have been asking me what camera I use for my stock photography. Most of the shots that I have uploaded have been captured using this. This is the Canon 600D. This is the battery grip, and this is the Tamron 1750 f2.8 lens. This is my walk around lens. This is my number 1 camera. Next to my camera comes my smartphone. Yes, this guy, Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. I carry this everywhere. सही जगह पे लेके जाता हूँ, सभी जगह पे जहाँ पे भी जाता हूँ. I keep on clicking photos and I keep on editing them and uploading them in stock photography agency. And trust me, 50% of the shots in my portfolio have been shot with Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, and they have been sold quite easily. And my third and my latest love is this Canon EOS M50. This guy on which I am recording, this cute little guy. This is my third camera. So to summarize, the best camera that you carry everywhere is your number one choice for stock photography camera, and that is number one your smartphone, or it can be DSLR. If it is a DSLR, the one lens that you should attach every time for stock photography is 50mm 1.8 lens. But most importantly, in dono ke above these two comes you, that is the stock photographer or the content creator who will compose the shot. And after you are done with all of this, you need to have good editing skills, Photoshop, Lightroom, Snapseed. That means irrespective of the camera, जो भी कैमरे में आप फोटो लो, आपको अच्छे से edit करना पड़ेगा, and then you are done. So that was it guys, आज का वीडियो इतना ही था. It was very short video and I just needed to answer the most common question people have been asking me: what camera do I need to use, what lens do I need to use in order to start stock photography. Feel free to check the video description for all the referral links in order to sign up for the stock photography agencies. Hit the thumbs up if you have liked this video, subscribe if you like the content, and hit the notification bell if you want to get updated to my future uploads. Make a comment as to what camera model you are using, what smartphone you are using for stock photography. Thanks for watching. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching The Teaching Doc, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.